brain scan. The code is an exact match.
Barry, it's the headlines.
What?
That's how Spencer's hypnotizing people. They're reading her headlines. Don't look at them.
Too late! Nora's been hypnotized. She's trying to kill me. Nora, you gotta snap out of this.
What I have to do is kill you.
Caitlin, take over.
Where are you going?
To get my family back.
Hurry up and kill him already. Time to bounce.
Hey, you're gonna be okay, all right? Nice shot. Guys, do we know where Spencer is?
I can't ping her phone. CCPD disabled all the cell towers in the area to prevent a remote bomb detonation.
She must be local in order to put those headlines up on that big screen, right?
She's at the stadium. She's here. Looks like you'll be trading this cell in for another. Spencer's all locked up in Iron Heights.
The mayor's resigning.
What? I'm surprised she lasted this long.
Luckily, I was able to get a quote from her exonerating Officer Jones for my article. Post will go up tomorrow.
Papa Joe will be relieved as friends in the clear.
Yeah. Well, at least now with Spencer behind us, we can concentrate on bigger fish.
Yes, we can. So,
Sherloque.
Sherloque,
He thinks he's found a key to Cicada's identity.
crucial clue. Help us solve our little mystery. So, we all know the distinctive sound of Cicada's breathing due to the respirator in the mask, but not just that, because also his lungs are injured.
What? Injured from what?
Historically, there is an event that causes David Hirsch to always become Cicada, but not this time. There's a different Cicada because
Nora helped me destroy the satellite.
Monsieur Allen, Nora's strike to the satellite changed the trajectory of the debris, and now the debris has hit a new person and injured our new Cicada.
Okay, but how did that give him his power?
DeVoe flooded the satellite with dark matter. Makes sense that the pieces would be saturated.
So, Cicada and the dagger were created the night of the Enlightenment.
Acquired powers together.
Well, listen, Sherloque.
Sherloque.
I gotta hand it to you. That's very impressive.
It's quite a breakthrough, right, Monsieur Dibny? One that I cannot take any credit for. No, all the credit, all the praise goes to you, Monsieur Dibny. It was your instincts to follow the mask, right? Well, you were right. And I was less right. I apologize.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry. The dagger part still doesn't make sense. I mean, things can't become metas, right?
I don't know about that. Our satellite didn't just create new metas. It created Metatech.
Which puts metahuman abilities in the hands of anyone.